Hi there. So today we're going to show you how you can quickly update medication information on Konnektis if there's ever been any changes in a prescription and new medications need to be administered, or medications no longer need to be administered. So we've just got a quick example here. Frederick, he's got a few visits today, and we've received some information from the GP and pharmacy to say that he now needs medications on a tea time. So just got a bit of demo information here. So he's going to have some paracetamol, a pain patch is newly required, and E45 cream. So the pharmacy have confirmed that all of this has been delivered today, and my team support with the administering of this. So I just need to make sure that they've got that information when they get to Frederick. So we're just going to put the new medication information on. So let's go on Frederick, and it's relevant to his T call. So we'll have a look at his appointment T call. So we can see some tasks on here already to help Frederick with, but he's not got any medications on. So let's start adding this on. So let's put the paracetamol on first. So I'll just click plus here. We've got paracetamol. We've got some description information here. So it's just to be taken when he has any aches and pains. Let's have a look. And so we don't need to put about it being in the original packaging, and you'll see why that is shortly. We're just going to grab the information about what the tablet looks like to help the staff. We'll just add it. There we go. So there's nothing to say that it's only so updated from 2 times a day to 3 times. So it looks like he used to have this already, and we're just adding it onto the T call. There's nothing to say it's only a specific date, so we're going to allocate this medication to all days. Storage location is the original packaging, so we know it's from there, so it's going to prompt the staff member where it is. If we wanted to add an image of the medication, so take a picture of what the paracetamol tablets looks like, we can do that, but we'll just leave it for this case, so we can submit that. So now we've got medication paracetamol. Let's add in our other new one. So just a generic pain patch that we've written on here. You'd have more information about this in a real life scenario, but I've just for demo purposes, we've just called it a pain patch, to be applied to the left shoulder once a week on a Monday tea time. Patch is in original packaging, so I only need to know to be applied to the left shoulder. Now, so on the allocated days, this is going to be changed on a Monday, so we only want it to appear on the tea time call on a Monday, and we know that this is in its original packaging as well, so we'll submit that now. So we've now got our paracetamol and pain patch on our tea time call, and we've just got one last to add, so it's an E45 cream. And in this case, to be applied to the legs when dry at tea time. So I'm just going to put to be applied to the legs when dry. Pop a full stop. There's nothing to say any specific day, so we're just going to select all days again. And this is also in the original packaging. You see that? Cream is in its original packaging. So we'll add that in. And in this case, really important for our staff to get a visual for where they need to apply this as well. So just in case they want to have a look at it, we've got a body map which shows where on the legs it needs to be applied, if so. So we'll just add that image in as well, and we'll submit that. So there we go. We've now got our new creams on our appointment template. So we can save that. And the most important thing about this now is that now that I've updated this all in my office, I don't need to do anything else. So my staff members in the community are going to have all of that newly updated information, because let's just have a look at the T call coming up today. So because this call hasn't happened yet, it's already pulled through the information. So when the staff member logs into the call, they'll see that. And let's just have a look at Frederick. Let's just have a look at what tomorrow looks like. At the T call, as we can see, the pain patch hasn't pulled through because that's only to be taken on a Monday, so it's not showing on Tuesday's visits. So you can have a look at what this would look like for a staff member. I'm going to do another video showing it, you know, just any moment now, showing it from the staff member's perspective at how quickly that's updated. But yeah, that's just how quick and easy it is to put medications on a visit. Thank you.